The Bissell Turbo Clean Pet XL Upright Carpet Cleaner, Model 3746, is a powerful and convenient solution for pet owners and anyone dealing with tough stains on carpets and upholstery. Designed to tackle deep-down dirt and pet messes, this upright cleaner features a 4-row deep-reach power brush that lifts embedded debris and odors from your carpets with ease. Whether it's muddy paw prints or accidental spills, the Turbo Clean Pet XL delivers professional-level results right at home. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and perfect for quick cleanups or whole-room refreshes. The included upholstery. Tough Stain Tool helps you clean furniture, stairs, and hard-to-reach spots, while the sample formula gives you a head start on spotless results. If you're tired of stubborn stains and want your home to smell and feel fresh again, the Bissell Turbo Clean Pet XL is the perfect choice. It's budget-friendly, effective, and easy to use, even for beginners. Don't wait to give your carpets the care they deserve. Check the link in the video description to grab yours today and see the difference Bissell can make in your cleaning routine. The Hoover Power Dash Pet Advanced Compact Carpet Cleaner is a game-changer for anyone looking to keep their home clean, fresh, and pet hair-free. Designed with pet owners in mind, this lightweight carpet shampooer is powerful yet compact, making it easy to maneuver around furniture and clean even in tight spaces. It's equipped with above-floor cleaning capabilities, allowing you to tackle not just carpets, but also upholstery, stairs, and other soft surfaces around your home. The PowerSpin Pet Brush Roll works deep into carpet fibers to lift and remove pet stains, dirt, and odors, leaving your carpets looking and smelling refreshed. For best results, pair it with a Hoover carpet cleaning solution to bring out the full power of the machine. Whether you're doing a deep seasonal clean or just touching up after your pet's latest mess, this cleaner makes the job quick and hassle-free. It's ideal for high-traffic areas, small apartments, and homes with pets. Don't let messes sit. Restore your home's comfort and brightness today. Click the link in the video description to get your Hoover Power Dash Pet Advanced now and experience the difference for yourself. The Eureka Rapid Wash 630 Cordless Wet Dry Cleaner is a modern, all-in-one cleaning solution built to make life easier, especially for busy homes with pets, kids, or high-foot traffic. This sleek vacuum and mop combo is designed to handle wet and dry messes effortlessly, whether it's spilled cereal, pet hair, or sticky stains on hard floors. Its cordless design gives you the freedom to move around without restrictions, and the 170-degree reclinable handle lets you easily clean under furniture and hard-to-reach spots. With hot air drying and self-cleaning technology, the machine keeps itself clean after each use, so there's less mess and maintenance for you to worry about. Perfect for hardwood, tile, or laminate floors, the Rapid Wash 630 delivers a fast, streak-free clean in one pass. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and comes in a stylish purple finish that adds a touch of personality to your cleaning routine. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to keep your home spotless and smelling fresh without lugging around multiple tools, this vacuum and mop combo is the ultimate upgrade. Click the link in the video description to get your hands on the Eureka Rapid Wash 630 today and take the stress out of cleaning. The Belife BVC11 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a high-performance cleaning tool designed for modern homes. Equipped with a 450-watt brushless motor that spins at 13,000 RPM, it delivers an impressive 38 kilopascals of suction power, effortlessly lifting dirt, debris, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. Its 6-layer HEPA filtration system captures 99.99% of fine particles, ensuring cleaner air in your home. With a runtime of up to 50 minutes, the BVC11 offers extended cleaning sessions without the need for frequent recharging. The vacuum features a LED touch display, allowing users to easily monitor battery life and switch between suction modes. Its lightweight design and versatile attachments make it suitable for cleaning various surfaces, including hardwood floors, carpets, and even car interiors. For those seeking a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly vacuum cleaner, the BeLife BVC11 stands out as a top choice. Click the link in the video description to purchase and experience the convenience of cordless cleaning. The ShopVac portable carpet and upholstery cleaner machine is the perfect solution for tackling tough stains and spills wherever they happen. Whether you're dealing with pet accidents, coffee spills, or everyday messes, this powerful spot cleaner is designed to deliver deep cleaning results across a variety of surfaces. It works great on carpets, sofas, rugs, mattresses, curtains, and even car seats, making it a versatile tool for any household. Despite its powerful suction and deep cleaning performance, the unit remains lightweight and easy to carry, so you can move from room to room or even take it out to your car without any hassle. What sets this machine apart is its ability to handle the mess without the bulk of a full-sized carpet cleaner. It also comes with 2 cleaner solutions included, so you're ready to start cleaning right out of the box. Whether you're a pet owner, a parent, or someone who simply loves a clean space, this spot cleaner is a must-have. Restore your fabrics and surfaces with ease and keep your home looking and smelling fresh. Click the link in the video description to order your ShopVac portable cleaner today and experience the convenience of powerful portable cleaning.